man makes horrifying decision to check out the noises that he was hearing in his home. You just need to just follow the arrow. Follow the arrow. Yes, you will see. This man made the worst decision he could ever make in his home. He's not alone. You see it?